Get ready. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a lot of money just by copying and pasting. You can make up to $450 just by copying and pasting. All you need is to watch this video, and once you're done, you can start making money right away. You don't need to worry because this is totally free to do. You don't need any investments to get started at all, and this is available worldwide in all countries in the world. But before we begin, welcome to my channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy. And also, hit the like button if you enjoy this video. Now, let us dive straight into the video. Now, the website I want to show you is called clearvoice.com. To make money on this website, make sure you keep watching this video till the end before you can try it out yourself. So this website is a legit company, and they hire people all around the world for different jobs, and they are going to pay you every single day if you sign up as a freelancer on this site. And you don't need to worry. You don't need any experience or skills to do anything. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this from start to finish. Once you are on this website, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the site. Once you are here, click right here where it says for freelancers. Once you do that, it will take you to this page. This is where you are going to sign up to become a freelancer. If you look right here, it says secure freelance jobs that are worth your time. Create a CV profile to get started. So all you need is to put in your first name and your last name and click on get started. Once you sign up, you will be able to post articles on the website and make a lot of money with your post. As you can see right here, there are a lot of people on this website all around the world that are making money from this site. These people are able to generate a consistent income every single month on this website. People from the United States, people from the United Kingdom, people from Australia, Nigeria, Philippines, and India. Almost all countries in the world are making money on this site. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now let's get back to the video. So once you sign up, you will land on this page right here. Now all you have to do is complete your profile, upload your profile picture, and edit your profile information. In just a few minutes, I will be showing you how you can copy and paste articles that are already written down for you. You don't need to do all the hard work at all. All you need is to copy the articles and paste them right here on your profile. And you can start making from $100 to $300, even up to $600. Right here are the profiles of some of the people on this website that are making money on this website. Let's check out this one right here, Stacy Jackson. So we are going to click on View CV, and now you will be redirected to this page right here. As you can see, this is her profile, but if you don't want your profile picture uploaded, you can upload any random picture you want. If you scroll down, you will see that she arranges her articles in different categories. Right here we have software, and there are different articles under this particular category. As you can see, 10 easy steps to create a killer Twitter giveaway. Another one, how do you approach customer experience? If we scroll down again, we have another category called human resources. Scroll down another one, content marketing. And right here we have fun interactive quiz ideas you can steal. If we keep scrolling down, we're going to see a lot of other categories and articles, and all of these articles are being shared on her profile. And she's going to be paid every single day because there are a lot of people that go to this website every single day to look for different kinds of articles and blog posts. And they're going to be searching for different types of articles. And right here, as you can see, we have advertisement and marketing. We have finance, we have healthcare, and we have software and tech. So when people come to this website and find your article and click on it, you are going to be making money. And again, you don't need to worry. You are not going to be writing any article at all. I'm going to be showing you a website that will give you articles totally free to use on this website. All you need to do is copy the article and post them on this website. And I am going to be showing you how you can also upload these articles directly on your profile. So the next website is called killerplrarticles.com. So actually this website is going to be providing you with an unlimited supply of fresh private level content articles in all different kinds of niches. And you can copy and paste them onto your profile for free. And guess what? They are all copyright free for commercial use. So you are free to resell the articles, repost the articles. In general, you can use them in whatever way that you want. If you click right here where it says categories, you will land on this page right here. And as you can see, we have different categories as you can see. We have arts and entertainment, we have food and beverage, we have self-improvement, we have business and economy, and a lot more. So this is exactly what we are looking for. And just like the profile we checked, all we need is to copy these articles and post them on our own profile, and we are going to be making a lot of money from $100 to $600 and even more. Now, to make more money, you need to know that the more categories we have and the more articles you repost on clearvoice.com, the more money we're going to make. So all we need to do is look for the right articles and upload them onto our profile. For example, let's say we have chosen the food and beverage category right here. So we're going to click on the coffee PLR articles. And again, you can choose from any category you want to choose from. And once we click on coffee PLR articles, we're going to be redirected to this page right here. If we scroll down, we're going to see a lot of articles on this page. As you can see, we have boot camp for coffee drinkers, which is up to 460 words. We have barista competitions, which is up to 1,069 words. If we scroll down again, we're going to see more and more articles on this page. And guys, this is just page 1, as you can see right here. I want you to know that for every single article on this page, you are selling and charging for tens of hundreds of dollars, and you are going to be getting them for free right here on this website. All of these articles are of super high quality, and from just one single subcategory, you can find as many articles as possible, and you can repeat this and find different articles on different other major categories as well. So if I click on any of the articles, for example, this one right here, it will take you to this page where you can have a preview of the article so you can scroll through and check out the articles. To view the entire article and download the full PLR article, you must be logged in, and registration is completely free. Once you create your account, you will be able to browse, search, and download from this PLR articles. So to sign up, just click right here where it says click here to sign up. Once you do that, you will land on this page right here. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. And from here, all you need to do is put in your full name, your primary email, and then your password. And once you are done, click right here. Give me free access. Once you do that, you are going to get a full free access to all the articles on this website. So right now, all you have to do is go back to your profile on clearvoice.com, and we are going to re-upload and post these articles to our profile. To add an article on this website, click right here where it says add content. Once you do that, there are two ways you can upload the articles. You can either copy the URL and paste it right here, or you can upload the article by clicking right here. Now, as you can see, I have just copied and pasted the article about coffee. So the next thing is to fill in your information, the category, the primary role, the content type, the section, and description. And once you are done, you can click right here where it says update. Once you do that, your article will be uploaded and updated on your profile immediately. Now, once you are on your profile, just scroll down, and right here you can see the article you just uploaded on your profile. And remember, the more articles you upload on your profile, the more money you are going to be making. So all you need to do is to repeat this process again and again, and you will be making a lot of money using this website. A lot of people are already doing this right now. So take your chance and start right away. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload new videos, you will be updated with my new content. I will see you in the next video.